Boss!
Bossing! Kamusta ang buhay-buhay?
Magandang buhay! This is Elaine and Paolo.
Please leave us a message.
Hi, Elaine and Pao. Ate Uche here. Very happy kaming lahat ng clan dahil natupad na rin yung pangarap niyong maging mag-asawa. Ayan. So, ang wish ko sa inyong dalawa, stay strong lang sa mga darating na obstacles sa life niyo. Pero I know, malapit kayo kay Lord, kaya um, magiging successful ang marriage nyo. And always remember, andito lang kaming lahat sa inyo. And since si Power, welcome you to the family. And happy kaming lahat na happy kayong dalawa. Yan, we love you. Congratulations!
Hello, Beb. Nasaan ka ba? Charis! Eto na nga, Beb. O, this is it. Your moment has come. So, wala naman ako ibang maa-advise kundi i-shoot mo ang basketball right away. We love you. This is MJ. Best wishes, Beb. Mwah, mwah. Hello, Beb. Best wishes. Support ko lang ang message ni MJ. Galingan mo. I love you.
Congratulations and best wishes. We love you both.
Hey, congrats and best wishes to the both of you. And we wish you a very happy and wealthy and healthy marriage life. From our family, San Pedro, and from Kayla Kokoy. Thank you. And again, best wishes.
Congrats, Ninang Elaine and Ninang Pao. I love you. Congratulations, Ninang wishes.
Hi, Ate Elaine and Kuya Pao. Congratulations and best wishes. Magmahalan lang kayo palagi. Love you both.
Hi, Elaine and Paolo. Congratulations. This is Ate Carla from me and Kuya JV and Kali. We congratulate you. Married life is not easy. Give a lot of consideration to each other. Be patient. Be understanding. And most of all, always pray together. Okay? Good luck.
Okay. Best wishes to both of you. Go out and multiply. Bye.
Congrats and wishing you a happy marriage. Yun lang. From Ate G. O, diba? Napaka-demure. Basta kaya nyo yan. Ha? Kung kinaya namin, kaya nyo din yan. Love you guys. Bye.
Bombit!
Hi! A, ang sarap-sarap. B, ng aking balat. C, lasang chocolate. D, didilaan na. I'm happy for you. Ang ganda-ganda mo lang. Parang kang porcelain. Ang puti-puti. Parang babasagin. Ganon. Law, huwag mo siyang sasaktan. Sinasabi ko sa'yo. Ganon. Diba, lagi yung tatandaan ng mga first vow nyo sa isa't isa. Talagang dinala ko sila lahat dito para mag-message. Ganon. Ayun. I'm happy for you. All the best. Kita-kits sa binyag. Sa mga susunod na chapters sa buhay ng dalawa. I love you. Love you both. Bye.
Oy, Paolo. Elaine, congrats. Happy for you. Alam mo na yun. Nag-message na ako nung bridal shower. Pero, ayun. Sana maging masaya din kayo forever. Tapos, yung hinihiling nyo kay God na little Paolo or little Elaine, sana, yan, malapit na. Best wishes ulit. Congrats.
Elaine and Pao, congratulations. This is Mio. Well, best wishes and hope magtagal ng maayos and happy yung inyong marriage.
Hello guys! Lizelle Lianes Go here. Nakalimutan ko yung go dun sa guest list. So, ang hinanap ko, sabi ko, Lianes po. Ay, ma'am, walang Lianes. Tapos sabi ko, oh shit, go nga pala ako. So, ayan, Madam Elaine, tandaan mo na apelido Lau, hindi na Goles. Char. Congrats to you both. Welcome to the married life. So, happy for you guys. So, sabay-sabay na nating palakihin ang mga magiging anak natin. Let's go. Congrats. Bye-bye.
Hi, Pao and Elaine. Congratulations. Ayan, from Chini. Ayan, kay Elaine, galingan mo mamayang gabi ha. Tapos kay Pao, ay enjoyin mo yan. Anyways, congrats ulit. Love you both.
Congratulations and sana magkapinsan na naman ako. Congratulations Ninang Ellen and Ninang Pao. Love you.
Happy birthday to you, Tito Pao. Yun lang. Yun lang. What do you want to say?
Haha. Wait, may sarili ako.
Wala.
Hi, Tito Pao and Tita Elaine. Congratulations and best wishes. Wala lang. Happy ako for both of you kasi finally natagpuan niyo na yung isa't isa. And Elaine, yung lagi ko sinasabi sa'yo, pagtiisan mo lang yung ugali ni Pao Charot. Mabait naman yan. Masungit lang, mas madalas masungit. Tapos, ikaw, Pao, alagaan mo si Elaine, mahalin, tsaka maging loyal and faithful ka. Okay? Love ko kayong dalawa. Babush!
Hello! Congratulations!
Hello, Ate and Kuya Pao. I'm so happy for the both of you. I wish you the most happy, blessed, guided, protected marriage because I know you both deserve it. I'm so lucky, Ate, na na-witness ko yung pagkakasal nyo and how you get to this. Your long wait is over. Love na love kita, Ate, and syempre, pati na rin si Kuya Pao. Welcome to the family. I love you both. Congrats. Best wishes. Ate, ako yung hindi nag-introduce ng self. Yun lang. Bye-bye. Love you. Si Julia. Bye-bye. Love you.
Anong boss visit ka? Hello, this is Rochelle Maureen. Buong pangalan. So, yun, ang message ko lang for you both is, stay happy and always listen to each other and never go to bed na magkaaway. Di baling magkabati sa bed. Charot! Galingan nyo later. Update nyo ko kung magsasamgyup na tayo. I love you both. Mwah!
Congratulations, Tito Pao. And basta di ko ano pangalan niya. Ay, Tita Elaine.
Magandang buhay, mabuting tao, Elena. So, I am very happy para sa iyo at syempre para kay Ginang. Pero ngayong araw na to, dapat nasa LU ako. Kaso, pagka-book ko, tsaka ako tinanong sa iyo kasal mo, so naiwan ako. Pero yun, dahil mahal na mahal ka namin, we're very happy for you. At syempre, pinagdasal mo to, pinagdasal natin to. Ayan, kaya sana kayo ni Paolo ay yun, Diyos na bahala dahil pinakita niyo na kung gaano yung kamahal sa isa't isa. Okay, at ipapakita pa sa God bless you and the family that you will build. Best wishes!
Hi, Ate Lane and Kuya Pao. This is Paula. Hello, lovebirds. First of all, congratulations both Ate Lane and Kuya Pao. I'm so happy kasi finally, ito na, nasa next chapter na kayo ng happily ever after. Medyo short message lang kay Ate. Hello, Ate. I'm so happy for you. Kung alam mo lang, my heart is so full nung nakita ko pa lang kayo ni Kuya Pao na kinakasal. Paano pa kaya ikaw, di ba? Pero yun, Ate, galingan mo mamaya para maka-baby number 1 na agad. Charot. Kahit anong mangyari, Ate, we are always here for you. Lagi mong tatandaan yan. And we love you always, Ate. To Kuya Pao, all her life, Ate was so independent. I hope na yung marriage life niya, you will let her depend on you. Always. Huwag mo paparamdam sa kanya na mag-isa siya. Siyempre, ganun din sa'yo, Ate. Huwag mo paparamdam kay Kuya Pao na mag-isa siya. Ngayon kasi, as one na kayo. Yan, marriage advice ko na yan, ha. Ayun, I hope you both a happy and healthy marriage. Happy wedding, and thank you both for making me part of this wedding. Ingat always. Love you both. Ay, Tito Pao, sana makapagbait ka na. Like, kasal ka no. Bye-bye. This is from Sam.
Hi, I'm Ate Elaine's favorite pamangkin. Keme, congratulations on your marriage, Ate and Kuya. Wishing you a lifetime of love and happiness and beautiful memories together. Isa lang mapapayo ko kay Kuya Pao. Kuya Pao, alam mo na, kung ayaw mong multihin ka ni Lola, Malin mo lang si ate ng sobra-sobra. Naiyak na naman ako, nakakainis naman. Ayun lang, love you both and welcome to the clan, Kuya Pao.
Congratulations, Tito Pao and Tita Elaine!
Hello? Hello? Hi, Kuya Pao and Ate. I have a lot of things to say, but I'll just say it in a few words. First of all, gusto ko mag-thank you, Ate, for being a great sister to me. And, Kuya Pao, for being a good lover to my sister. I know we don't have a lot of memories to share, patid ko babae, pero I have very few memories that I would bring while I grew up. And I may seem not happy, pero I guarantee you that I'm the happiest little brother on this earth right now. And last thing, I may not been a good brother to you, pero you will always be the greatest sister that I will ever. Yun lang. Love you. Bye-bye.
Congratulations, Tito Pao and Tita Elaine. Congratulations, Ate Elaine.
Hello, I'm Jace.
Oh, I'm Jace.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I love you.
Love you.
Oy, Lau.
Ang weird. Best wishes and congratulations to you and Elaine. Yun lang. Stay strong. Nika to. Bye.
Hi, ako ang pinakamabait mong friend, Lau. So, my message for you for your marriage, congratulations, syempre. And also, kung ano man yung binubuo nyong family ni Elaine, focus ka lang sa kanya. Focus lang kayo sa family na binubuo ninyo. Okay? At saka nandito lang kami. Alam mo na. Enjoy!
Hi. Walaan niyo kung sinong friend ng bride to. Ito yung kaibigan niya from kinder na barubal niyang kaibigan. And ito yung seryosong message ko for you both. Ayan, to Pao and Elaine, congratulations. Ayan, happy ako sa inyo, guys. Ayan, and naiyak ako kanina nung nakita ko yung bride. Ayan, guys, ingatan niyo yung isa't isa. Continue to love each other. And gusto ko yung pagka-private nyo. So, stay that way. Congratulations ulit. And thank you for inviting me.